Hi YouTubers, this is me again, back again, 207 with a review about Contester. Yeah, here he is, closing in. Yeah, pretty cool. The tail. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool backhand. He's the strongest backhand that I have. Yeah. It's a weird thing. If I take the fit, the hands do that. Don't know why, but okay. Now manual parts. Can take the hand. Yeah. This is the barrel gear. This is the thing to put the barrel gear here. Yeah. Parts. Yeah. Let's pop them open. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Yeah. The horn. The hands. Pretty cool. You can put like that, put him like that, or like that. Yeah, like that I think is the barrel gear mold. Yeah, but yeah. No, I don't know. Oh, like that. It's like that. So yeah. Normal barrel gear. Yeah, pretty cool. It don't has DNA code. Yeah, pretty cool design. Yeah. I love that the inventors. I love the white. Yeah, it's very cool. The white in here on the horn, in here. I don't know why. What's that? Yeah, Contester, very cool. I think the tail is for him hold in place. I think. Yeah. So pretty cool. Has a cool design. These little red eyes. Yeah, you can see. But yeah. Okay, let's take that. Put him like that and that. Go like that. It's like a turtle. Yeah, to close him in, it's a weird thing. So, yeah, let's close him in. Close that part. Put the hands in the place. Like that. Like that. So, yeah, the hands here. Next, you put the arms in that position. Like that. So, close the horn. Put him like that. Now put him down. Next, close the tail and the feet. Yeah, like that. And this close the man. So let's see. Yeah, it opens like that in that way. Pretty cool. Oh, very cool design. Yeah. So let's see what he has. It's very sad that he don't open his mouth. Yeah. The ability comes right there. Yeah. pretty cool. Open that and put it on its battle gear mode. Yeah, I think the battle gear mode is like that. No, really. Horn. Go. Oh shit, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's close them in again. It is now. Let's see if you can rotate. Not really. Pretty cool. Okay, YouTubers, that was my review. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and have a nice day.